you're using Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Word to create this kind of diagrams, it can take a lot of time. Instead, I'll show you an easy to use tool to make this entire diagram within 15 minutes. Even as a beginner with hardly any prior experience, you could create the whole diagram in under 15 minutes. So let's start. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to download and set up Drawio on your computer, build a complex diagram step by step, and customize it to look great for presentations or printing. Firstly, open your browser and search Drawio. Then you have to go to the Drawio website. In here, click the download button to go to the GitHub page. Now choose the right version of your need. The first one is Windows installer that will install the software fully on your computer. The second one is Windows No Installer, a portable version that doesn't need installation, but you could run it as well as the installer version, and it is great if you are short on storage. Now download the file and save it where you want. To use it, double click the file. If you choose the portable version, you can run it directly without installing. First we'll go to file and create a new file. Okay, so first it will load. Now we'll create a new diagram. So here it give you some already presets to give you a head start. So we could select from the charts menu. From here I will select the second chart as it goes best with our need. So from now I will start a timer to see actually how much time it consumes, because as I have promised you to finish it in the earliest time possible. So let's say I will finish it within 5 minutes. So I'll starting a timer of 5 minutes. Okay, let's get started. As I have shown you earlier, the top parts are not needed for me and the bottoms are also useless for me, and I will delete them if we use those things. I want just this portion. From here, from right here, we will create the next layer. So the first thing, if you're new to the software, you'll may find it a bit tough, but upon spending some time it will get easier for you. So let me help you. Once you click one of these rectangular shapes, you will see that some points comes up, but they are faded. But when you move your mouse to one of those points, it get highlighted, right? What we need is keep our mouse to this one of these arrows, and upon clicking on these arrows, this kind of option will pop up. So we'll select this rectangle. Now as you can see that this new rectangle is created and it is already connected with the arrow with the previous one. Okay, I don't want this to be this large. I want it instead a bit longer. Okay, so now I need to copy this. So what you will do is you need to hold the control key and with a mouse just drag this shape so it will get copied. So for next time I will select both of them. Now I have 4 of this. I want to connect these 3 boxes with this one. I will move my mouse to this box and then this arrow. Now I will not click it, but instead I will drag it and I'll remove it here. Now as you can see this is connected, but this line it's can be adjusted just like that. Okay, I will repeat the process and I have connected this for from here. Let me align them a bit. Okay, but as you can see now this arrow goes just anywhere, so now I just need to forcefully adjust it. Okay, now it seems fine. Whenever a line is making behavior strange behavior, you just need to forcefully show where it belongs. Now okay, I think it's fine. Okay, now we'll make the process a bit faster. For this, as you can see I haven't clicked anywhere, and each time you are going to copy you need to hold the control key and you need to drag the selected part which you want to copy. Okay, now it's time to connect these boxes with their upper layers. So now we'll quickly try to do that, just connecting them through arrows. Here it seems empty. Now I'll put some four boxes here also. Now we need to connect them, but okay, we'll start from the top. I will just move my mouse on this box and then move to this one of the cursors and drag it here and repeat it multiple times, as much as I needed it. Okay, now we'll just adjust this line also. Okay, so for the next part I need at least two for each of these boxes. To create a box, you just need to click D on your keypad and it will select a box. Oh, actually, so I don't want this box. Oh my god, we have already spent 5 minutes. Okay, let's just start another. I think we'll not need some time, so 10 minutes time seems fine. Let's start it. Okay, I think we need at least 15-minute time for doing this. So for clicking now we'll make a new layer. I will click on the arrow. It will give me some options to select a shape. I will select this shape and yeah, I think we are good to go. So what I'll do is copy this multiple time, and this time I will provide no spaces. So upon making some boxes like that, now I will select to make the copying process a bit faster. Now I will select all of them again, and a bunch of them are already created. Now for the last time I need to select and make copy. As you can see, it goes out just outside the paper. The dotted line you are seeing here, it indicates the paper. As you can see here, the paper size is A4, so I need to print it on A4 paper, so I'll try to keep in within the page. So when you get cross the page, cross or grids are showing your paper. Okay, so don't try to go outside of the paper. So here I will align it in the middle of the paper, and now I need to connect them with the upper layer. So for this box I will provide these two. For this I'll connect. If you get a bit problem with showing the arrow, just zoom in. It seems fine till now. We just need to connect them. This is the most you have to do. Okay, I don't know how far I have came, but I think yes, almost to the end. But if you think that in the last layer or in the fourth layer the quantity of the boxes are not enough for you, you could just adjust them and make more of them. So I'm just good with this output. Now as I have shown earlier, I need to copy them, but first I will give a bit color for them to. From this CFO I want every box to be colored the same for easy to recognize them. For this one I'll color something like that. It's fine, but okay, I'll just fix that problem. Now this seems fine. For the rest of them I think I need to use something else. This green seems fine. Okay, now we need to duplicate this. We'll start in duplicating from the bottom layer. So I have selected all of them. I'll hold the control key and with my mouse I'll just drag them. Okay, the bottom layer has been copied. For the third layer I will also select them all, hold my control key, and those are copied. Okay, and for the second layer I will do the same, and also for the last one, and I'll try to align it finally. So as you can see, those lines are unwanted. I don't want them. I'll just select and delete them. For now I have to connect them again with the same process. Just connect them. I want the line to be aligned with the others, and I want also this line to be aligned. Okay, the first layer is done for here. Okay, let's repeat the process quickly. Okay, this layer is done, and here comes the last layer, and where most of the lines are needed. If you found it hard to find the arrow, just click on the box. It will show you. Okay, we are done, and as you can see, so the last thing is remaining, we need to connect all of them. So now I will select this arrow, bidirectional connector. I will drag it here, and as you can see, 2 points. I will connect one of this here and one here. I need to try to make it properly horizontal, and now I need to copy it multiple times, holding my control key. Oh, sorry, holding my control key. Why doesn't it working? I think I just select it. Now holding control, I just need to drag it as much time as I needed. So we could do it this way, but I will do it a bit. I'll show you how to do it faster. I will select all of the arrows, and now I'll holding the control key, I will drag it, simply drag it. So now it just aligned with others. So I'll do it another time for the rest of the boxes, and I think I need to do it for the last time, and I think we are pretty much finished. Two of them are just extras. So yeah, we are done. So how much time we have? Oh, we are almost finished. Just 40 seconds left. So within 15 minutes we have completed the whole diagram. Now I will show you how to export it. So go to file and export as here, and you could export it in PNG, but I need to print it, so I will use PDF, and from here you should check the transparent background, and everything else should be fine. Now clicking export and give it a good name good name, and select anywhere you want. So as the result, I will show you the output here, that how it has been done. It is a good name, and as you could see, it may be showing some rough things, and those are not needed, as here in the last page everything is fine. So you need to label them, right? So we'll head back to the software again. Just you need to double click of any of them. You could write whatever you want to write. Okay, I think I don't need to show you how to do it, but if you want to change the font, you just need to select it, and from here font, you could select any font you like, or you could bold it, or you could change the color. And also if you want to make the text bigger, you could just text the font size for like 20. Oh, here we have a very good option, because if you're going to print it, you need to know that you will print it, it should be visible properly, right? So here you will select 100%, and it will show you that the actual size in a A4 paper, that how it will look, or how it should look after printing. So yeah, it seems fine to me. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope it will add some value to your life. So yeah, thank you.